AFS AccuRow system found on the early riser planter utilizes a compressor to develop the air to turn your clutches on or off. The filter on the air compressor should be blown out daily or every 10 hours. The filter should be replaced every 200 hours or every season. If the filter is not replaced or serviced on a regular basis, air compressor failure could occur. The tanks mounted back on the early riser planter that hold the air for the air clutches should be drained daily. If it does not drain daily, condensation can occur and moisture can build up, causing air compressor or clutch failure. The row clutch found on each early riser row unit needs regular maintenance. Every 100 hours, dry silicone spray should be sprayed into the Phillips head screw port found on the clutch housing. A single drop of air-to oil should be used to lubricate the piston in the silver portion of that air clutch. A single drop can be placed after the hose is removed from that clutch for proper lubrication. After 2 or 3 seasons of use, it may be necessary to take the clutch apart and inspect it for damage as well as dust. This, you will find, improves the life of the clutch overall, as well as improves the operation during season.